In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add affiliate link to your blogger website. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going on blogger website. You need to just log in here. You can see here the 4 posts I published before. So I want to add a affiliate link on this post. So just scroll down. Example of I want to add my affiliate link on this section here, passage. Just bold here, then just click this icon, insert or edit link, and just paste your affiliate link and open this link new window. So just click here, apply. Okay, just update, then just preview, click on preview. Now scroll down, you can see this is already worked. So passage. Okay, if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.